Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys Galaxy S21 top feature. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Direction view. Direction view is the brand new feature with the camera. Just open the camera app and click on more button and choose direction view. You can see all the camera is turned on. You can switch one lens to another lens just one click. So this is very useful feature, I think. This year Galaxy S21 Ultra come with S Pen. You actually still able to use S Pen like Note series. Next feature is custom call background. Open your phone application, click on this three little dot, then select setting, then select the option call background, and you also actually change the background call, and you also add your own photo and video. Galaxy S20 Ultra you can record 4K 60fps video from all the lens, and you also record selfie 4K 60fps video. S20 Ultra people cannot use the 120Hz refresh rate at the max out QHD plus resolution on the Note 20 Ultra, though Samsung improved the display panel. Now you can enjoy 120Hz refresh rate QHD plus resolution display. Single tag. Single tag is another great feature of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. You can change the different types of shot you want to capture with your single tag. You can take 10 to 50 second video clip. Another feature is double tap screen on and off. At first go to your phone setting, then select advanced feature. On is here, just go ahead and click motion and gesture. Then turn on double tap, turn on screen, and double tap, turn on off screen. In the feature every time you can double tap the screen turn and off like that. Another great feature is dual zoom camera. S20 Ultra has a one zoom lens, but S21 Ultra has a two zoom lens. For short range and another is long range zoom, and you also zoom on 100x. S21 Ultra you can get more camera feature, for example AR doubly, Pro, Panorama, Photo, Night, Portrait video, Pro video, super slow motion video, slow motion, time lapse, and director view. Next talk about the navigation bar. You can get full screen gesture navigation. I will suggest to use second use. Swipe left to right to back. By the way, I am already making S20 Ultra top 10 camera feature. Link in the video description line below. Go there and watch this video. Let's move on the main video. Okay, this is all about S21 Ultra top feature. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.